welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this cornrow hairstyle, simple all back hairstyle by myself. So don't go anywhere, make sure you watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up because it's going to help you. Okay, before I start my hair, I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be using at the end of the day for this hair, and that is the TCB Naturals anti-dandruff hair food. I'm using it because my hair is prone to dandruff here and there, and I want to prevent it. So this is going to help me. You also have to take care of your hair. I'm talking so much, let's just get into the video. The first step to making good hair is to ensure to comb it out, and I'm going to be using a big comb to do this. Now that we're done combing the hair, we're just going to go straight to cutting or parting the hair. To cut the hair, I would recommend you to use a wooden comb because I feel like it's actually very easy because it's hard, and compared to using other plastic, it's just going to help you. And I'm just going to go ahead and scrape it because I want it to be a bit sharp so that it's not going to stress you. Before we start plaiting the hair, we are going to divide the hair into sections. I like to divide my hair first into 2 equal parts, and I'm just going to be starting from the middle of my head, and I'm going to take that all the way down. My hair is now divided into 2, and I'm just going to take one part and I'm going to just tie it away using this piece of clothing. For this section, I'm going to go ahead and divide it into 2 equal halves again. This dividing process will make sense to you when you start making your hair, because there's sometimes that you are going to make your hair, and when you're almost done, you discover that at the back hair is not even enough. So the thing is, I want this hair to be into 8, and I already have like half section, and this other section is going to make 4 hair. So this one that I have right now, I'm just going to divide it into 2. Then we're going to start plaiting. Before you attempt to make your hair, I have 2 exercises for you, and I will call them the exchange process. Learning how to make your hair requires you to be able to exchange your hair strands as you go. So the very first thing you're going to do is to grab a little piece of your hair. Once you grab that, you are going to now divide your hair into 3. So that's the first stage. Divide your hair into 3. Take one hair, exchange it, put it there, then use this hand here. What's happening here is that the 2 hairs are getting passed into the middle. So you're just putting those hairs like that. This step is actually what will help you to finish your hair at the end of the day. So you just need to practice. You can see the way my hand is going, so just practice it. Practice exchanging your hair. Once you are done practicing this, we're going to move on to the next phase. For this second stage of the exchange phase, you are going to divide your hair into 3. Then you are going to start the exchange, but mind you, this exchange is quite different. It comes from the back. So when you are taking hair from your right hand, it comes in the middle. Then you exchange it to the left and comes in the middle as well. So left stays in the middle, right hair stays in the middle, left hair stays in the middle, right hair stays in the middle, and all the exchange will be at the back. Can you see it? I really hope you are going to learn how to make your hair from this. Also, I'm using my index and my thumb to do this. Now remember what we said earlier, that we're going to divide our hair into 3, right? So basically what I'm doing here is that I'm just dividing my hair into 3, and now that I'm done, I'm going to start exchanging, but this exchange takes place at the back. You see this one in the middle here? You're going to just grab it and just exchange like that. Basically whatever is in your right hand goes in the middle, and then whatsoever is in your left hand goes in the middle as well. So there's always one hair in the middle, but whatever is on the right will be exchanged to whatever is in the middle, and like that. That's just how you're going to continue. And you guys, I want you to know that it is not the first time you practice that you're going to get it. the first time you practice, it might be loose. The second time, it might be somehow, but the more you practice, the better you get. Also, if you are like a beginner, I would advise you that you should not use nails, because making your hair with nails, maybe till when you practice your sharp, but it's not always the easiest. So you can also practice on your friend's head till you get, perfect. So you're just going to continue plaiting your hair till you get to the end, and once you get to the end, you're just going to weave it down using the first method I showed to you guys, so you can just go back to watch that again if you don't understand. I really hope this video is explanatory enough. Please let me know if you enjoyed watching this video, or if you're going to try it out. Don't forget to follow me on my social media handles everywhere at It's Moyo. If you watch this video to this end, thank you so much. Please click on this video on your screen right now to enjoy more videos from me. I have so many hair videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Go ahead, click on this video on your screen right now. Thank you. Bye.